Here is an easy step-by-step video on how to replace the flexible tubing cutter's blade. First, loosen both screws on front and back of the tool. Open up blade and take your screwdriver and push the pin out. Now you can easily grab and pull it out. Next, remove the tension spring in between the handles. Now you can easily slide the casing over the blade. Here you'll notice 2 roll pins that also need to be removed. Use a punch just like this. We highly recommend securing your workpiece before attempting to push the pins out. Take the punch, line it up, and give it a few taps. The pins will come out very easy. Repeat once more. Now safely grab the back side of the blade and gently remove. Now you're ready to grab your new replaceable blade, slide it into the holder, and make sure that you line up all your holes. Take your roll pins and press them into the holder. And just like before, you're going to pound those pins back in. This will secure the blade in place. Grab the other half of the tool and line both pieces up together and slide it right back into the handle like this. Now before we close everything off again, we need to reinstall the tension spring in between both handles. There are little clips on each side that you easily just press the spring up against. Once in place, go ahead and close the handles together tightly. This will then line up the hole and allow you to push your pin back in and be able to attach the screw. Once you have your screw back in, go ahead and tighten both sides up. And there you have it. Simple, easy way to replace the blade on your Superior Tool flexible tubing cutter.